This is how to get your FNB bank statement on the FNB app in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Open the FNB app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then log in using your username and password or biometrics. Once logged in, look at the bottom of the screen. Tap the second icon from the bottom left labeled Bank. This will open a page showing all your accounts, such as check, savings, or credit card accounts. Tap the account you want the statement for. You'll now see your transaction history and account options. To get your statement, tap Account Options on the right of the screen. Then select Statement History. This will take you to the page where your last 4 months of statements are displayed. Tap the month you want to view. Choose how to access it. Tap View to open it in the app, download to save it as a PDF, or email to send it to your registered email. For statements older than 4 months, scroll down and tap Request Statement. Then select your custom date range and delivery method. Once done, you can open or share your statement anytime from your downloads or inbox. And that's it. That's how you get your FNB bank statement on the app in South Africa. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped.